In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DriveEasy with GEICO Insurance. To get started, download the GEICO mobile app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If you already have it on your phone, take a moment to check that it's updated to the latest version. That's important because the newest version is more likely to include the most current DriveEasy setup options and features. Once the app is installed or updated, open it and sign in to your GEICO account. If you don't already have an account, choose the option to create one. You'll be asked to verify your policy information and then set up your login credentials. Just follow the prompts carefully so your account is properly connected to your insurance policy. After you're signed in, look for the option that says Set Up DriveEasy. Tap that, then continue through the on-screen instructions to enroll in the program. If your policy is eligible, the app will guide you through everything you need to do. This part is designed to be straightforward, so just move through each screen one at a time. During setup, the app will ask for a few important phone permissions. Make sure you allow location access and set it to always allow or allow all the time on Android. You may also be asked to allow motion or physical activity access, background app activity, and push notifications. These permissions matter because DriveEasy uses them to automatically detect and record your trips accurately, even when the app is not actively open on your screen. Once setup is complete, keep the GEICO mobile app installed and stay signed in. You don't need to manually open the app every time you drive. DriveEasy is designed to automatically start recording eligible trips after about the first quarter mile, which makes it convenient to use in the background. After that, you can open the DriveEasy dashboard in the app whenever you want to review your progress. From there, you can view your driving score, check recent trips, see driving feedback, and update a trip if you were actually a passenger instead of the driver. That last feature is especially helpful for keeping your trip history accurate. To improve your DriveEasy score over time, focus on safe, consistent driving habits. Try not to use your phone while driving, brake and accelerate smoothly, maintain a safe following distance, and limit late-night driving whenever possible. It's also a good idea to review the personalized feedback in the dashboard since it can help you understand what to improve. And that's how to set up DriveEasy with GEICO Insurance.